Before the year 2000, unmanned aerial systems could have very well been lifted from the pages of a science fiction novel. Today, drones have leapt from the forefront and evolved from underground privatized military applications to common household technology all over the world. For better or worse, autonomous systems have been fully integrated into our society. But in order to fully allow industries to advance and our world to become more efficient and safer, skilled operators could hold the key for the future of drone functionality everywhere.
As a college president and educator, I'm constantly looking for how can we better serve the public in preparing for jobs of the future. And to me, drones are at the cutting edge. Whether a student is interested in pursuing the arts, whether they want to go into science and research, we can apply drones to security in ways that actually help protect public resources and people. There's so many different ways that drones can be helpful to society, and having a program provides us with the opportunity to ensure people are trained so that students have the opportunity to hear about the ways in which we need to really be cautious as we are applying drones to various career sectors.
I just thought it looked cool, but also there was kind of a side interest of law enforcement. I saw how one of these drones can be utilized in search and rescue. And after watching that, I thought to myself, that's something I would like to do.
I'm a GIS student. It stands for Geographic Information Systems, digital mapping, and that's how I got into drones. Anything that has a digital map component has a GIS person behind it. It's in real estate, it's in procurement, if you interact with the government website and it has a map of different properties, that's a GIS program. So it's everywhere.
The use cases from aerial drones to terrestrial drones to maritime drones, whether surface or subsurface drones, they're really expanding our capabilities and our base of knowledge that we can kind of draw from, whether it's research applications or whether it's efficiencies with industries or whether it's just visual capabilities that we can expand on to see things that we couldn't normally see before. Anytime somebody's out there flying a drone, they always get three questions. How high does it fly? How far can it go? And how much does it cost? How much does it cost varies depending on what drone you're flying. The FAA caps us at 400 feet just for safety purposes. How far can it go? It's visual line of sight. The operator has to be able to visually see it. I don't mean that to be a wet blanket, but I don't really want to fly it where I'm going to be unsafe. So those that get licensed and those that fly drones professionally become the big champions for the industry and help educate the public exponentially. It's going to be a necessity to become certified and become an experienced drone operator.
Fullerton College is the first community college established in the state of California and offering the only bachelor's in drones on this side of our nation. We're very well known for programs in business, real estate, science, arts. Because drones can be applied to all of those different fields, we saw that when we were establishing the drone program curriculum, faculty responded and said, I want to be a part of this.
The mission of the Fullerton Drone Lab has always been workforce development. And when we built the program, one thing was clear, we just had to stay close to industry and stay on pace with industry. When industry needs it, we have skilled operators ready to go in the workforce. As we grew and created different certificate programs as well as associate degree programs, the need for a bachelor's program was another level of expansion that allows students to move into not just operator, but into a managerial and a more robust understanding of the scope of the autonomous industry, not just drones, not just aerial drones, but also submersible drones and terrestrial drones and subsurface, and just how autonomous systems operate. As technology grows, we need to grow.
When searching for a major to pursue, I was looking at the Fullerton catalog and I saw the drone program. For me, I love tech, I like the idea of it, and seeing the drone program, I kind of fell in love with it. I thought the ability to get education, to understand the regulations, be able to get test prep for my Part 107, I thought that was very crucial to whatever I may get myself into in the future.
I loved all the toys they had. You know, we got to fly a $50,000 drone. which I could never do on my own. You know, I'm not going to go practice with that, right? I feel like if I go to an employer and they're using the best, I've seen it, so it won't be new to me. They have all the good tech.
Many people come into the drone industry because it's cool and it's fun. And that is a great hook. I still think it's fun, but the applications are immense. People can come in and change their communities. People can come in and change their industries. People can come in and learn the skills to apply it for a whole bunch of different purposes. Mapping, LiDAR scanning and 3D modeling, geospatial sciences, photography, marine research. It's endless.
The Fullerton Drone Lab is thinking outside the box, and they're including drone technology in a variety of majors, so they're integrated.
As a student who is getting his education to get certified and to come out with hours behind the wheel, it is nice to me knowing that I'm helping pioneer a certain change that will help save lives as well as create a standard. I'm so grateful for the drone program at Fullerton College, and I'm excited to get out there and start helping people.
From an educator standpoint, to see those light bulbs turn on, see the eyes light up, and see them start thinking about what I can do, it's so refreshing, it's so rewarding. That's the moments that we live for here in the program.
Fullerton Drone Lab at Fullerton College. Discover the future in drone technology at the leader in drone education. For more, visit drones.fullcall.edu.